whole thing was half an hour. And then he just looked at me and he said, "Oh my God." He was so pleased because my brows were totally even.
And was looking for a procedure that it wasn't invasive, it didn't require any incisions or downtime. I was very, very happy with the results. My friends that are even younger than me, they tell me that I look younger than them.
After I attended my first demonstration of the ThermiRF device, it was instantaneously clear to me that this was the pinnacle in the evolution of radiofrequency treatments.
Thermogen System is probably the most versatile machine I've had in years.
We found that it really works well in tightening connective tissue, places like the neck, places like the cheeks, even in the arms, in the bra strap areas, in the tummy tuck areas, in the knees. It's very versatile. And what I wanted to make sure was that once we started developing this clinical body of knowledge, that we would have a group of physicians dedicated to collaborating. We developed this culture of having doctors actively collaborate. We have these sessions that we call Ask Dr. Kinney. We share cases, we talk about treatment parameters, we talk about unusual clinical challenges.
Recently I did a patient who is one of my Botox non-responders. She literally, right after the procedure, I showed her a mirror, asked her to make movements, and her response was literally, "Oh my God." And I think she must have said that 5, 6, 7 times. It was amazing.
They're not quite ready for surgery. They don't want to go under the knife, and they're doing some injections. But those injections just aren't quite enough. So this is the in-between patient.
There's no comparison. Absolutely no comparison.